In a recent demonstration at an unmanned aircraft system test site at Griffiss International Airport, Lockheed Martin used an optionally piloted helicopter that worked together with a small unmanned aerial system to successfully locate and extinguish fires, while also finding and rescuing a missing person. During this demonstration, the optionally piloted Kaman K-MAX and the Sikorsky Autonomy Research Aircraft, or SARA, worked with an Indago quadrotor and a Desert Hawk fixed-wing UAS. Now, I know what you're thinking. Optionally piloted sounds more dangerous than it actually is. Really, it just means that a guy was flying it from a laptop with a PlayStation controller. The quadcopter found the hotspots and then sent the information to the operator, who sent the K-MAX to autonomously retrieve water from a nearby pond and use it to put out the fire. At the same time, the Desert Hawk found the missing person, and SARA, which is a modified X-76 commercial helicopter, conducted the search and directed the rescue. SARA is equipped with Sikorsky Matrix technology, which helps it fly autonomously. Now, to make sure that SARA could talk to the UAS during the rescue mission, Lockheed installed Matrix technology onto the K-MAX. SARA used information provided by K-MAX to autonomously scan the terrain and find a safe place to land. Really, just a lot of acronyms all working together, and they saved the guy and put out the fire. Everybody wins! Searching the US Patent and Trademark Office can be an onerous task. A former colleague of mine had to work the new patent beat, and to say that the site was frustrating her would be an understatement. How you doing, Posse? Well, a team from Michigan Tech has a potential solution for the many innovators and inventors who have squandered hours fruitlessly rifling through old patents as they try to figure out which is still active and how they may relate to developing technologies. Just picture them rifling through patents, like it's the old school where they gotta go through files and just papers flying everywhere. Really, it's just click, 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 ka! Start over. The team created an online search engine that is now free for everybody to use. So, taking a cue from our last story, you can search the term drone, and you'll see a group of animated puppies as your results load, which is a bold choice, Michigan Tech, and then you're given 7 inactive patents. Everything from a way to deploy a parachute on a drone to converting a watercraft to a water skier controlled drone. There's actually a pretty interesting patent for a nuclear-powered drone from Grumman Aerospace in 1988. Check it out. According to Joshua Pierce, a materials science and electrical engineer at Michigan Tech who helped develop the search engine, nearly half of all registered patents are inactive before their lifetime ends, which is a potential goldmine for these inventors and innovators. So the algorithm will scrape the US patent database every week when the agency updates patent statuses. Because every 3.5, 7.5, and 11.5 years, patents come up for renewal. And if you don't pay your dues, and the paperwork remains unfiled, then the patent becomes inactive and enters the public domain. So all those innovators and inventors can rip that idea and repackage it and sell it in the market. That's capitalism. Yeah! Type 2 diabetes has had a dramatic impact on many American families. It has even hit my own family. And I know that while exercise is an effective treatment, it is difficult to motivate those gripped by the disease, no matter how heartless you might be with your tactics. Well, a new wearable medical device developed by Kumamoto University might prove to be an alternative. Researchers say their new wearable belt can impact fat loss and improve blood glucose through the use of mild electrical stimulation and heat shock. The belt uses a special type of rubber to transmit electric stimulation and heat shock at the same time. In clinical trials, results showed a decrease in fasting glucose levels, a loss of visceral fat, improved insulin resistance, and a significant improvement in glycated hemoglobin values. With just a 60-minute treatment each day, the lead researcher, Dr. Tetsuo Kondo, said that you could expect the results to be similar to exercise. Which, I don't know, what do you want, a belt that's like zapping and heating you? I don't know, it's warm and tingly, honey. Can I eat while I do it? I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design. So then someone else can take it, repackage it, sell it to Johnny-come-lately, and make a mint! Cause that's capitalism, baby! That's how we do it here! Woo!